Ridhi, Raheja with Movement Mortgage. Thank you so much for picking us to be your lender. I understand we are helping you refinance, so I want to make sure that you understand what you're agreeing to do. So when we do a refinance, what we're actually doing is paying off your old mortgage and then starting you on a new mortgage of your choice, whether it's a 30-year fix or a 15-year, depending on what option you picked. So you'll be getting a loan estimate for that. And sometimes that number can be very scary. I just want to walk you through that loan estimate. If you are going to be paying your own closing costs, we would have discussed that with you, and that will show up in the loan estimate. For a refinance in most of our states, the cost is around $2,400. That includes your appraisal, your application and processing, underwriting, and your title work. And the only thing that you are going to be paying up front is your appraisal fee. Depending on what kind of product you're doing, FHA or conventional, it could be $475 or $500. That's the only thing you pay up front. If you have taken the option of us paying your closing costs, that means it's not being added to your loan amount. Then all you will pay is the appraisal up front, and we will credit you the rest of the cost at the closing table. You will also need some funds to establish an escrow account if you're going to be escrowing. That means we'll take some money and put it in an account, and when the bill comes due, they will pay it on your behalf. They meaning the lender. This is exactly the same thing that you did at the time of purchase, but the fundamental difference is when you're refinancing, you are the seller and you're the buyer. Remember, you have money in your escrow account with your current lender. They will send it to you in next 30 to 45 days after you close. So it's a cash flow issue. Most of the times the cash flow can be addressed either by money from your own checking account you can supplement, or you won't have a next month's payment, and that will help, and also you can add it to the loan amount. So depending on the option, that is how it will be. So there are three parts to the closing costs, just like the purchase: your underwriting, appraisal, title, and your escrows. And the $2,400 covers everything else except the escrows. So if you have any more questions, give us a call. Thank you again.